A beginner with just $500 can control over $25,000 worth of futures contracts. That sounds exciting. Until you realize a 2% move in the wrong direction can wipe out your account faster than most people lose money in crypto. And here's the crazy part: in 2026, more retail traders are entering futures markets than ever before because of mobile trading apps and lower fees. But most beginners still make the exact same 3 mistakes. Stay until the end, because the last point is the one that will actually change how you handle money. By the end of this video, you'll learn how futures trading actually works without confusing finance jargon, why leverage can either grow your account insanely fast or destroy it overnight, and the one risk management rule professional traders use to survive long term. Let's get into it. Here's a statistic that surprises most beginners. Over 70% of retail futures traders lose money within their first year, not because futures are a scam, because they don't understand what they're controlling. A futures contract is simply an agreement to buy or sell something at a future price. That something could be oil, gold, the SP 500, Bitcoin, or even coffee. Imagine this. You think Bitcoin will rise from $100,000 to $105,000 next week. Instead of buying a full Bitcoin, you use a futures contract that lets you control a huge position with a much smaller amount of money. This is called leverage. For example, with $1,000 in margin, you might control a $20,000 position. If the market moves 5% in your favor, you don't make $50, you could make $1,000. Sounds amazing, right? Now here's the emotional trap. That same leverage works against you too. A 5% move against your trade could wipe out your entire account in minutes, and that leads directly into point 2. Because this is where most beginners quietly blow up their money without realizing why. Most people think leverage helps small traders become rich faster. In reality, leverage mostly makes beginners lose faster. Here's the before and after difference. Trader A starts with $2,000 and uses maximum leverage on every trade. One bad market move of 8%, account gone. Trader B also starts with $2,000, but they risk only 1% per trade. Even after 10 losing trades in a row, they still have over $1,800 left to recover. That's the difference between gambling and trading. And emotionally, this is where people break, because after one big win, beginners start feeling invincible. They increase position sizes, they revenge trade. They start saying things like, "I'll make it back tomorrow." That's exactly how accounts disappear. Here's a bold statement most finance influencers won't tell you. Professional traders care more about surviving than winning, because if your account survives long enough, you can always catch another opportunity. But if your account hits zero, the game is over. And point 3 is the part almost nobody explains properly: how futures markets are designed to move money from impatient traders to disciplined ones. Quick question: have you ever checked a trade every 30 seconds because you were scared of losing money? That feeling is exactly why most beginners fail. Futures trading is less like predicting the future, and more like driving a race car at 200 miles per hour. The car itself isn't dangerous. The danger comes from losing control. Here's the insight that changes everything. You do not need to predict every market move to make money. You only need a system where your winners are bigger than your losers. Example: if you risk $100 per trade but make $300 on winning trades, you can still be wrong most of the time and stay profitable. That's how many professional traders operate. Not with magic indicators, not with secret AI signals. Just probability and discipline. And here's the scary part beginners discover too late: the market specifically punishes emotional decisions. Fear makes people sell too early, greed makes them hold too long, and the warning ahead is probably the most important thing you'll hear before trading futures in 2026. Before you do anything else, you need to hear this: never start futures trading with real money before paper trading for at least 30 days. This one mistake alone saves people thousands of dollars. Because futures markets move insanely fast now, especially in 2026, where algorithmic trading and AI bots react in milliseconds. A beginner can lose $500 in under 10 minutes during volatile news events. And emotionally, that kind of loss changes people. Some panic, some double down trying to recover, some quit investing completely because they think they're bad at money. But the problem usually isn't intelligence, it's starting without a process. Here's the safer approach: spend 30 days using a demo account, practice setting stop losses, practice position sizing, practice losing small amounts emotionally before real money is involved. Because trading without risk management is like driving without brakes, eventually, the crash comes. I was going to save this for another video, but since you made it this far, here it is. Most successful futures traders only trade 1 or 2 setups repeatedly, not 15 different strategies. They become boringly consistent. That's the secret. The traders making steady money usually look less like adrenaline junkies and more like accountants with patience. So remember, leverage can multiply gains, but also losses. Risk management matters more than prediction, and emotional control is the real skill behind profitable trading. Money rewards discipline more than excitement. If this gave you even one idea that could change your financial future, hit subscribe. I drop new money tips every week, the kind your school never taught you, and comment below, tell me which point hit you hardest. I read every single one.